Hi guys, this is Christina, signing on from my backyard in Ashland, Wisconsin for My Point TV. And today I'm celebrating National Ice Cream Soda Day, which is June 20th. This holiday actually lands on the summer solstice, and I did not know the history takes place all the way back to 1873 for a Philadelphia man who was using it as a marketing scheme to sell more soda in his business. Today I'm challenging my friends to not drink those normal ice cream sodas that we know and love. Rip your float, no offense. I have concocted a few other recipes for my friends to try, which is a cotton candy ice cream float, a local ice cream float made out of blackberries, and a strawberry ice cream float. And let me know which ones you would want to try for the holiday. Today I've got Fallon and Chris with me, and they're going to give me an opinion on a cotton candy ice cream soda. So let's drink up, guys. What you guys think?
Not bad.
It's actually not as sugary as I was expecting.
So the next one that we're going to be doing is strawberry ice cream soda. Perfect, because strawberries are in season. Everybody take a sip. What you guys think? Kind of tastes like a slushy.
It does. I don't think it's as good.
You don't think it's as good?
Not as the cotton candy or a root beer. But I'm not crazy for strawberry soda anyway.
Oh, okay. What about you, Fallon? Kind of quiet over there.
No,
Can't swallow it?
No, I'm just not really not crazy about it.
Not crazy about it.
No,
Oh, okay. Well,
I mean, it's not bad. I mean, like, if it was at a party, I would drink it.
yep.
But, like, not something I would really go out of my way to go get.
So we have the local one from Winery. It's local soda in Iron River, Wisconsin. And Tetzener's ice cream. So, you guys drink up.
Wow.
Takes you back to 1873 when the day was invented.
Holy. A lot of good flavor there.
I mean, it's a little sour, but you know what? It's actually really good. I don't mind sour because ice cream just balances it.
That's really good.
It is actually.
So this one's my favorite.
That was my favorite.
Out of all three, yeah, this is my favorite, and I'd probably put cotton candy second.
Same, I'd say. I'm Christina.
I'm Fallon.
And I'm Chris.
And that's how we see it.
It was a little better.
Yeah. I would love to hear your thoughts and, of course, your point of view. I hope you enjoyed this video. Christina Motel, signing off for My Point TV.